What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace the fuel return line and the injectors. So let's get to it. Anyway, my return line here broke, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And what y'all do is there's 3 nuts on top of here. You take them off. I've already loosened them. I've been working on this project for a little while now. It had a hole in the block. Here's the block. Had it honed out, cleaned up. The crank turned out to not, the journals on here are no good. And I JB welded it because I had a hole in the block. If y'all want me to show you how to do the JB weld, comment in the comment section. But anyway, here we are. Got the head stripped off. Did a valve job on it. Got it back. And now doing some repairs here. Anyways, it's broke here, so you gotta get rid of the old one. Take them off. And the injectors here, whenever y'all go to take these nuts off, make sure y'all hold it down here on the bottom, because you can potentially damage your return line by these things twisting. So make sure you hold the top nut and the injector nut down here. Anyways, here they are, the injectors. Unscrew them. Like I said, I already loosened them and I've cleaned them. And there's these little copper rings here in the bottom. Take them out. And you put your new ones in, which I had already done, and all 3 of them. So you throw them down there in the bottom. Take your injector and screw them back down. And you get your new return line, which I got here. Take it off, and you're gonna just put it on the same way. The tubes obviously go on the outside like this. And tighten the nuts back down. Y'all might have a copper washer here. And yeah, that's how you replace the ejectors. And I got all the new parts here. So there you go.